Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord. Sorry, you have been blocked. There are several ways to solve this problem. First is check on updates. Search for check updates and click on check update here. And if your computer listed down different updates for your computer, just click on update. Second is go to Windows Firewall. Click on Advanced Settings. Click on Windows Firewall here. On the firewall state, click on Off and click on OK. Third is go to Discord. And on your browser, go to Extension and click on Manage Extensions. Delete the extensions that you added for Discord. Fourth, go to History of your browser and click on Clear Browsing Data. Check the following options right here and click on Clear Data. Fifth, go to your web browser settings and go to About Chrome and update your browser. And that's it. I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!